Hello, I would like to apply for GST registration. Could you please guide me on how to apply and let me know which documents are required?
Sure, sir. Please wait for a minute. What is your name, sir?
I am Rajkumar.
Okay, sir. Please wait a minute. Hello, Sir Abhinav. A client named Mr. Rajkumar has arrived for GST registration. Can I send him to your room?
Please send him in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please go inside. Our consultant will assist you with the GST registration.
Okay, thank you. Hello, I want to apply for GST registration.
Yes, of course, sir. Please come in and have a seat. Please give me few details about your business or services. Firstly, what is your legal status? I mean, your business is proprietorship, partnership, or a company.
I work alone as the sole proprietor of my business.
What is your business name?
7-Eleven Snacks is my business name.
Is the business principal place is owned by you or is it rented place?
It is a rented shop.
Is GST registration is mandatory for you or you want it voluntary? Viewer, to know the situations in which GST registration is mandatory or voluntary, please watch our video related to requirement of GST registration.
It is mandatory for my business.
Do you want to get registered in regular scheme or composition scheme? To know what is regular or composition scheme, please watch our video related to type of GST registration.
I wanted to get registered under regular scheme of GST.
Thanks, Mr. Rajkumar, for the relevant information. We will need 7 details from you to complete your GST registration. PAN card. Your GST number will be linked to your PAN card. Aadhaar Card. Required for address verification. Rent or lease agreement. This serves as proof of your business location. Aadhaar Card of the landlord. We need this to confirm that you have rented the property for your business operations. Proof of business address. You need to provide one of the following: an electricity bill, house tax receipt, or a copy of the registered deed for the property. Geotagged photo. A geotagged photo of your business location is required. The address in this photo should match with the rent agreement and electricity bill. Email and phone number. Please provide your valid email ID and phone number for communication.
Here's all the documents you need.
Okay, let's verify if we have all the required information. PAN card, all good. Aadhaar card, perfect. Rent lease agreement, looks good. Aadhaar of landlord, all set. Proof of business address, in order. Geotag photo, verified. Email and phone number, confirmed. Here's we have applied for GST registration for you.
Thank you, Mr. Abhinav. We'll pay fee.
If you need to know the registration process for a partnership firm or company, please refer to our videos on GST registration for partnerships and GST registration for companies. If you have any queries related to GST, income tax, or accountancy, feel free to contact us.